Pip's big kelp surprise. Deep in the ocean, the kelp forest was dark and wiggly. Pip the baby shark swam through the tall, green leaves. Where is everyone? He wondered. He was supposed to meet his friends for a play date, but the forest felt very empty and very quiet. Pip swam deeper into the shadows. He heard a tiny rustle-rustle and a soft swish-swish. Flick? Barnaby? Is that you? Pip called out, but no one answered. Pip felt a little bit small and a little bit worried. He thought his friends might have forgotten all about him. Suddenly, a bright orange claw popped out from under a rock. It was Claudia the crab. She was busy scuttling across the sandy floor. "Excuse me, Claudia," Pip said. "Have you seen my friends? I think they are hiding from me." Claudia pointed her claw toward the whispering woods. "Keep going, Pip. You're almost there," she clicked. Pip felt a little braver. He waved his fin at Claudia and swam toward the thickest part of the forest, where the leaves were as big as blankets. Pip saw a flash of bright neon blue. It was Flick the fish. Flick was swimming very fast, carrying a shiny, round pebble. "Flick, wait for me," Pip shouted. But Flick didn't stop. He zipped behind a giant purple sea fan and disappeared. Pip's heart sank. Why won't he play with me? Pip stopped swimming and sat down on a soft, mossy rock. He felt very sad. He thought Flick was his best friend, but now Flick was running away. The dark kelp forest felt cold, and Pip wanted to go home and find his mommy and daddy. Just then, Claudia the crab scuttled up again. She was holding a large, flat sea leaf. "You dropped this, Pip," she said. Pip looked at the leaf. It had a drawing of a shark, a fish, and a turtle all eating seaweed together. At the bottom it said, "Surprise party." Pip realized his friends weren't hiding because they were mean. They were hiding because they were getting ready for his party. Pip followed a trail of sparkly, glowing bubbles that led toward a bright light in the distance. He swam as fast as his fins could carry him. Pip burst through the kelp and found Barnaby the turtle. Barnaby was wearing a hat made of a pointy seashell. He was busy hanging long strings of colorful seaweed. "Pip, you're here," Barnaby cheered. "We were trying to be fast, but we aren't very good at being quiet." Flick zoomed back with his shiny pebble and placed it on a big cake made of sand. "Happy Playdate Day, Pip," Flick cried. All the friends danced and wiggled. They ate sweet seagrass snacks and played tag in the bubbles. It was the best seaweed party the ocean had ever seen.